Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIPS Home School. Here I am Mohammed Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Indian English Version School Reship. And now I am going to conduct your English language class for the expense of class 1. And our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, Lesson-7, discussion and exercise 1 discussion. You have no homework regarding this class. Dear students, here you will get exercise 1, and first of all I will request all of you to open your Enjoying Grammar book at page number 19, and you will get it's about the lesson is about pronouns. You already learnt about what is called pronoun. Dear students, imagine that you know my name is Faruk and another name is, imagine that, Runa. So for the, imagine that I am telling you about Faruk is your teacher, Faruk is your class teacher also. Faruk takes your English language class. So in every case, if I write Faruk, then it would be very much disgusting to listen to you. But for the case of Faruk, if I write he, and for the case of any female, if I write she, it would be good to listen. So this he, she, I, we, you, they, all these are called pronouns. And in your book, you will get few conversations regarding these pronouns. And in your book, you will get that's written here. I am Adita. I am in class 1. Are you in class 1 too? Then Rohit has a cat. He also has a doll. The rabbit is eating carrot. It is hungry. And then Roti has a doll. She likes the doll. Rohit has a cat. He also has a doll. I read it. The children are blowing bubbles. They are happy. Dear students, here you will get I, you, she, he, they, it. All these words are pronoun because they substitute in another noun or noun. Okay? That means in first conversation, are you in class 1? That means Adita is asking another one whether he is in class 1. And then Roti has a doll. Here Rati is a female. She is a girl. So she is used here. And Rohit, for the case of Rohit, the books has used he because Rohit is male. And for the case of rabbit, you know rabbit is an animal. So it is used here. And the children, the last conversation at page 19. The children are blowing bubbles. The children, that means more than one. So they is used here. Dear students, then come at page number 20. We use I for myself. Okay? We for ourselves. We is the plural of I. Okay? Then you for person. We are talking to. The plural of you is also you. That means same. She is for a girl. He is for a boy. It's for a place, a thing, an animal, a fruit, and for vegetable. Okay? Its option is too much. They for more than one person, place, things, fruit, or vegetable. They is the plural form of she, he, and it. Okay? This is all about discussion of lesson 7. Now come at exercise number 1. Circle the correct words in these sentences. Number 1, Rita is my friend. Rita is female, so she. The teacher asked Sharita, do Gap have pencil? That means Sarita. Do you? Okay. Then, dear students, now a question may arise from you that why, although Sharita is female, why you didn't use she? Because you need here subjective one. So, you. Okay. Do you have any pencil? Then number 3, don't drink the water from the bottle. Gap is dirty. Is dirty means the water bottle is dirty. So, it is a singular thing. So, it would be answer. The boy in the photograph is my brother. Okay. Gap is very tall. Then, in the photograph, the boy is very tall. So, it would be he. Number 5, Maya and I are neighbors. Gap often play together. Dear students, be alert that Maya and I. So, I am there. I am there. So, it would be we. Imagine that I am not there. So, imagine that if it is written that Maya and Imran, that means I am not Imran. So, on that case, we need to use they. Okay. But for the case of number 5, Maya and I, although I included here, so we have to use we. Then come at page number 21. Jacob and Pramila. Jacob and Pramila are at the bus stop. Gap, you waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. Linda and I. Again, Linda and I, that means I am also included. Went to the library. Gap, saw many books. Although I am included, so we would be used here. We. Number 8. Where is Ginger? The dog. Ginger is the name of a dog. Dear students, in your book at page 18, you have already learned when for the case of any animal, you have to use it. It is in the garden. Dear students, for this case, you don't have any homework. And this is the end of the class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.